No, just say
Am I
the
good?
purpose of
Yeah,
this.
you get.
The purpose of this lab is to calculate acceleration due to gravity. Equipment includes a meter stick, the object dropped, and a stopwatch. This is the procedure. Step 1, gather equipment. Step 2, place meter stick 90 degrees with the ground. Step 3, drop eraser 2 meters and record time. Step 4, repeat step 3 3 times. Trial 1. 3, 2, 1. Trial 2. 3, 2, 1. Trial 3. 3, 2, 1.
For trial 1, we got 0.45 seconds. For trial 2, we recorded 0.57 seconds. And for trial 3, we recorded 0.49 seconds.
Will.
The average time is calculated to be 0.5 seconds, which would give you a velocity of 4 meters per second.
Using this kinematic, plugging in our information, we found acceleration to be -8 meters per second squared, which is slightly off of what acceleration should be at -9.81 meters per second squared.
Percent difference was found using the actual gravity and the gravity that was recorded, plugged into the equation, and the result was 20.33% difference. In conclusion, the purpose of this lab was to calculate the acceleration due to gravity. First, we gathered the equipment, placed a meter stick 90 degrees with the ground, dropped the eraser 2 meters and recorded the time, and then repeat step 3 3 times. After 3 trials, we calculated the average to be 0.5 seconds, and it was then used to calculate velocity, which was 4 meters per second. We plugged all those numbers into the equation, got an acceleration of -8 meters per second squared. We knew that because we knew that acceleration was constant, we used a kinematic delta y equals velocity times time minus 1/2 acceleration times time to find the acceleration, proving it is constant. We calculated percent difference by using what gravity actually is to what we got and plugging it into the equation and times it by 100, and our percent difference ended up being 20.33%. Some errors in this lab include not using a perfectly symmetrical object to be dropped a meter. Another error is air resistance. Ways to improve the lab is calculate air resistance and use a perfectly good symmetrical object to drop a meter. And finally, use photo gates to get an exact time.
What's up? Are you actually recording this?